What is good, boys? Just going to be doing a weekly outlook today for the 1st to the 5th of September. So we'll start on the daily. Actually, you know what? I'm going to start on the monthly, as we do have a new month. So definitely one of our main draws for this month is going to be this fair value gap that has still not been tapped into, as we have not really filled any monthly gaps in quite a while. So we'll move to the weekly. Again, we do have another weekly fair value gap for us to target. So these are going to be a very strong draw for price this week. I thought we were going to go and touch them last week, but clearly not. But last week we did have a bearish week. Friday really did make last week very bearish, which is good. So I really do anticipate us to push down now. So go to the daily time frame. And again, if we look at AS, if we look at AS, they have broken this high, which is all-time highs, whereas NQ has not. So definitely we have some SMT. High time frame SMT is very powerful, as we all know. So definitely do see us inversing this daily gap early on in the week and potentially seeing us come down to this weekly gap. I don't really think this daily gap will be much of an issue for us, but if it is an issue for us, then I don't really see us coming down here just yet, and I think we will continue bullish. But again, that high time frame SMT just really makes me think bearish price action. So we'll jump down to the 4 hour, and again, clearly bearish. And if you're a PO3 guy, you would be able to see this and think, oh wow, accumulation, we've manipulated, and then we've started to distribute. So definitely this high time frame PO3 does tell us that we should be distributing lower to a POI, and we should definitely see lower than just the accumulation lows. So with that in mind, we'll jump down to the 1 hour, where we can see a clear sell model has started with pre-accumulation legs, with subsequent manipulation legs, and then now with distribution legs. So definitely going to think that this right here is where we're going to start to reaccumulate, and then we'll manipulate into a 4 hour gap. So definitely for Tuesday, I think we probably will do this on Monday though. But again, public holiday on Monday, Labor Day on Monday. So not actually going to be on to trade, as markets do close early. So we'll see what we do on Monday. Probably not much though, to be honest. But yeah, we'll hop down to the 15. Again, can't really tell much till like the whole week's direction based off the 15-minute chart. It's more the hourly up to the weekly or monthly. So with that in mind, pretty bearish week ahead of us, and I do think we are going to have a pretty bearish September. So yeah, that's it from me today. Hope you guys all have a good trading week, and I wish you luck in the fourth quarter.